eaudemathematica once again. So as you see in the title, that our question of today is, we have to find the 2 by 2 matrix such that except I, or identity matrix, a to the power any power, say you say n. So in general we say a to the power n is equals to I, or otherwise in the group theory that would be the order of A. Is it? What is the order of element? Order of element is such that the element of the group, say A to the power n, is equals to the identity of the group, then that smallest possible integer n is called the order of A. Such that, say A forms, actually no, or not all group of matrix actually, all collection of matrix actually form a group, but I am saying that a special case that you have to find a 2 by 2 matrix A such that a to the power n is equals to I. Okay, that's the idea. So let's jump up to the solution. First we write this case, what we have to actually find. So you can see we have A, a 2 by 2 matrix, that I raised to the power n would be I. Okay, so as I have told you that all matrices, group of matrices actually does not form a group, so you cannot apply this, because to have a group you have a multiplication and you have an identity and you have an inverse, but all matrices doesn't have an inverse, so this doesn't form a group. Okay, but no matter, we are not going to that. But this kind of special kind of matrices has in actually inverse. Okay, so we will prove this later. So how can I prove this? If I tell you the theory or the technique how to derive this matrix, that would be more better. But now if I tell you the matrix is nothing but would be A is equals to cos 2 pi over n, and there would be minus sine 2 pi over n, there would be sine 2 pi over n and cos 2 pi over n. And you can see that this is our required matrix, and this n, say any number you choose, say you choose this year's number over here, that if you plug it I, then you have to just put it here and find the matrix. That's the basic idea. But the question is, how I have said that, okay, this matrix would work obviously. You try with 2, okay, or especially you try with 1. So if you try with 1, that would be I, but you put here 1, what will be? Cos 2 pi is 1 and sine 2 pi is 0, so that will be 0, that is 1. So that brings out the right result. And if you carry on with induction, you can see that is true. But induction can only be applied if result is given. But if you are asked directly that it is I find A, so that would not be worked with induction. Okay, so what can I do? So let's jump to the solution. But before we jump to the solution, I want to tell you that to solve this kind of problem, you have to have some knowledge of linear algebra. So do you have the knowledge of linear algebra? Not too much, but a little bit, like up to linear transformation. So tell in short, what is linear transformation? Linear transformation is just transform the coordinates from one coordinate system to other coordinate system. One example is rotation. So basically this matrix is just a 2 pi by n angle rotation of our axis. Okay, if you don't know how to derive this kind of thing, but if I tell in this video, that would be too much larger. I hope that you know. If you don't know, please wait for a new video to explain you what is linear transformation and how to actually modify the linear transformation into a matrix. But that is a long chapter. I will try to cover in short in the next video. But till then, just understand this kind of matrix is just rotation of the coordinate axis with just 2 pi by n angle. So how we are deriving that? That is another case. I will tell you in the next video. Okay. So up to that, remember it. So as you can see that if I use this matrix cos 2 pi by n, so I am rotating our axis with, so say first our initial axis is this, but we rotate this up to 2 pi by n. So this is 2 pi by n. So that will be our new axis. You can see that is our x, that is our y, which is our previous x, not our x dash. Just previous y, now it will be y dash. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, that will be 2 pi by n again. So now you can see that if I just apply simultaneously a to a, okay, one by one, that would means that we are simultaneously rotating at the same angles. Okay, that is a squared if we do. So we are rotating again 2 pi by n, a to the power 3. So again a to the power 4 and so on. But whenever we rotate just n times, that will cover whole this x-axis. Right now this rotation and comes back to what? Again following that. As you see what I am meaning, if I twice, third, fourth, nth, if I multiply with n, because we are just adding angles and rotating, that would again 2 pi. That means it would lie and this x dash would actually correspond to this x. I mean just superposed or overlap with this, and that would be overlapped with this again back. That means what we have started, the transform means nothing but keep the same thing back as it is. So a to the power n would be keeping the coordinate axis same. But what is if I multiply some matrix or some matrix with what matrix to keep the matrix same? Identity matrix. Yes. So a to the power n would be I. That is the idea. Or nothing. Very easier one. So try with this one. If you can fun with your friends, if you work in New Year 2020, find this kind of matrix. So you must know that would be easily equals to, write it here. You also can write easily equals to a to the power cos pi over 1010 minus sin pi over 1010 sin pi over 1010 and cos pi over 1010. That is the idea. And if you try to find out by calculator, you can be more special, because this would give him an idea that how it is working. So if you find with calculator, it would be in this guise, so now you could find that, and you can make a very wonderful question asking with your friends or quiz. Okay, so thanks for today. For have fun, stay home, stay safe with your family and with your friends. Don't go out to meet your friends, but go on Google Meet or any other apps to have Google conferencing or video calling conferencing. Okay, have fun till then. Goodbye.